So we're gonna try for some yellowtails today. I just put the chum bag out. Right now I'm chumming. Normally want to give it 15-20 minutes before you put that first line in the water. Let the fish get comfortable. So the main thing for yellowtail fishing is current, and there seems to be good current, so I'm excited. Let's see if it pays off. So I'm ready to put my first line out. Let's see how it goes. This one's a little too small. I'm gonna let him go. It might be 12 inches on the dot, but I'm looking for something bigger. Might be the right kind and the right size. Drag is too loose. Oh man, look at that. Wow, there's a whole school of yellowtails down there. Wow, man. Clean cut. Here, take the rest. That got cut in half pretty quick. I don't know if it was a barracuda or a shark. Gotta do this quickly. It's too small. I think he got me already. Yep. A lot of ballyhoo right there. I don't know if you can see it. I'm gonna try to catch some of them to use as live bait. Thought I had a bite. Yeah, I do. Ah, came off. See, I did it too soon. Ah, man, see that? I didn't let him eat. It's my second bag of chum already. It's only a little bit left. And I have no fish to show for. So I got maybe another 30 minutes of trying to catch yellowtails, and then I'm gonna go deep. This could be the right size. Here it comes. Oh yeah, this is a healthy yellowtail. Oh yeah. This is the perfect size to eat whole, deep fry. So I got the ballyhoo. I'm gonna try to catch some ballyhoo here for bait. Let's see if this works. you go. Look at this. Bait, baby. How do I get my hand in here? Oh, good size too. Oh my God. These guys don't play, man. Super quick. If I catch like, I'm good with like 7 or 8. So, you know, oh look, I got one here. This is a little bit of a challenge for me to fold it back in. Got him. Not pretty, but I got it. All right, so we have bait. Let's see what we can do with it. Oh man, this dude shit all over me. Oh my God. It's 11 a.m. already, and the only thing I have is a Yellowtail in the cooler. So definitely slow morning so far. Ah, there it is. It's a bite. Whatever it is, it's not big. But we're on. Oh, this is a big, I think this is called sand tile. Pretty big. I think I'm actually gonna take him home. Get a couple of nice pieces of fish from here. I'm on. It's not big, but I'm on. lionfish. Oh my god. I think this is called lionfish. Some ugly fish. Ah! Got spines all over. I don't know what type of fish this is, so I'm gonna let him go. Look at those eyes. It's not big. Oh, another one of these fish, man. What the hell? I never caught one of these, and now I caught two today. Crazy. Whatever that is, I think he's robbing something. Extremely slow today. Nothing good on the jig. Sucks, man. Check that out. Look at those marks. So I've been exploring whole morning, really nothing. It's already 2 o'clock. Really nothing significant to show. So now I have about an hour left. So I'm going over a few fishing points that I have. So let's see how that goes. All morning long, maybe 5-6 hours. Just drifting around, looking for new spots. Didn't find anything. Now I'm in over a spot where I've caught fish before. We're on, baby. At the last stop. It's not huge, but I think it's the best one of the day. Oh, look at that. Look where this fish is hooked. Oh my god. And it's short. A nice mutton snap, but short. See, this is one of my spots. I'm definitely gonna try again. Look at this. Look how this got hooked. Wow. This fish has to be 18 inches to be legal. This one's probably like 16. I'm gonna let him go. I'm gonna throw again quickly. We are on again, and this one is better. Oh man, this one is much better. What the hell is this? It's swimming forward. That's weird. Look at that. It's all the way over there now. That's extremely weird. Oh man, we got sharked. Ah. Oh man, it was a good mutton snapper, man. Look at that. Second fish shark today. Wow. This was the best fish of the day. Oh man. I knew something was wrong when I saw it going forward. Have the rest, man. This is it, guys. Thank you for watching. Unfortunately, no trophy fish today. This is what real fishing is about. Alright, it's not always that you get to take home a trophy fish.